Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to sign in to your Walmart Marketplace seller account. Following these steps will help you access your account safely to manage listings, orders, and business settings. Step 1. Go to the Walmart Seller Center login page. Open your browser and go to seller.walmart.com. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid phishing scams. Click Sign In at the top right corner. Step 2. Enter your registered email. Type in the email address associated with your Walmart seller account and click Next. Step 3. Enter your account password. Type your account password carefully. If you forgot it, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 4. Complete two-factor verification if enabled. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the verification code sent to your phone or Authenticator app to confirm your identity. Step 5. Access your Seller Center dashboard. Once logged in, you can access your Walmart Seller Center dashboard to manage inventory, orders, and reports. For more helpful e-commerce tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.